Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a custom favicon on SiteGround. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan of web hosting. And if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after getting your account, you will just simply log in and go to the plugin add new form, your dashboard, and install and activate the plugin and navigate to appearance favicon. Click the select from a media library button and add the favicon image by clicking on it and it hit select. So click the generate favicon button. That will forward you to the favicon generator website. The tool allows you to choose a WordPress icon, fonts and sizes, and scroll down to the favicon generator options. Hit the generate your favicon and html code button. So the plugin will generate and install the favicon files on your site, showing a favicon is installed message on your dashboard simply. So remember that the plugin must remain active on your site to guarantee your favicon is always active. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.